Hey there, YouTube. We got our new refrigerator. We won't be needing this one anymore. That won't be going right there, but we got the bottom is the freezer, the top is the refrigerator. More roomy.
Shove a body in there.
Hey. YouTube, what do you think of this?
I know they heard what I said, not to shove a body.
Yeah. Just tell me what you think in the comments below. Is it nice? Nice dials. Looks decent. The light is up there. Oh, you can do the humidity controls. Roomy. First we got ice maker. So let me know what you think in the comments below. I'll see y'all later. Bye.